The truck here. This truck is featuring our preload collar kit. This preload collar kit also has a set of 5100s in it with our preload collar. So a typical 5100 will only allow a 2.3 inches of lift. With our collar kit on this truck, we're able to get a full 3 inches, and then what we're able to do is we're able to offset the truck for the way it sits, because if I've got this one set at max height at 2.3 and that one set at 2.3, there's gonna be lean on the truck. It's actually gonna be a little bit higher on that side than this side. And then when you get the driver in the car, they're gonna have that taco lean that everybody talks about. So what we do is we put our preload collar in, we can get this up to 3 inches on this side. We actually do a little bit more here to preload this to add for the driver and the gas tank. So then we get a nice even side to side on this on the way. It rides really nice, and then also its stance is really good, just the way we want it. This one, I'm pretty sure, because we've got a 10 on it, we've got the rack on it, and we've got the stance that we have here. I can't tell you for sure, but I'm 99% sure this has an add-a-leaf or a leaf pack in it. And the reason I'm telling you this is because with the tent and the bed rack here, really what it does is it's gonna offset it, and it's gonna cause it to squat on the factory leaf springs on this truck. The factory leaf springs are really not designed for additional weight. They're designed to hold the capacity of the truck, and any weight you do add to the factory leaf springs are really gonna offset on the way it's gonna sit, and it really will start to sag. We do offer a lift block for the guys that wanna order their kit that's just a standard kit, and they don't wanna worry about having a bed rack or having a tent or anything in the back of the truck. So our lift block's great because it makes it super easy for those guys to install it with the U-bolts and everything. It's just when you're starting to add weight to it, we suggest that the leaf pack is the way to go, or a new leaf. Again, Brian, we appreciate him for bringing all the people he brings down to our shop, and his truck was out here, and I said, hey, let's go out and let's get some pictures of it. Let's do a walk around on some of the things that are done to the truck. So again, thank you, Brian. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys appreciate our stuff and really see the detail that we see in it and the way we've designed everything. So again, thank you for watching.